My name is Anton. I'm a level 6 guide. Take a deep breath and imagine a place that's surrounded by trees, the sounds of birds, and the smell of fresh grass. This is Fairlane Park in Laurel, Maryland. I found Fairlane Park on Google because of local guides sharing photos. As a drone pilot, I take it one step further with overhead shots of the area to show where friends can play tennis, a couple can stroll around the park, or a family can have a picnic. Imagine if Google enhanced the local guides platform where it provided a one-stop destination for drone flyers to figure out the best places to fly in the area while still following the law, rather than going through multiple outlets. No more advice from Reddit, just Google it. It would be an honor to be chosen for Connect Live to provide this perspective from a content creator and drone pilot. It would not only be a unique experience, but it would challenge my creativity. I am very excited for Connect Live 2019.